Impurity. So first value is 4, second value is 7. Listen carefully. First value is 4, second value is 7. The 4 code is for which color? 4 is for yellow. B Roy. Count. B Great Britain, very good wife. That is the trick to remember. B Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Raina, are you able to understand Hindi?
Sir, I am not able to understand Hindi. I can understand only
Okay.
English.
Okay, no issue. So your coding will be start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So your first color is 4. So 4 is nothing but what? Yellow. And second color is, where is violet? 7. So 47 means first color is yellow, second is violet. So go through option A and B. Option C and D are wrong. Yes or no? So yellow and then violet. So where is violet? Option B. Yes or no? And multiplier is what? 10 raised to power 3. Because answer is in kilo ohm. The value of kilo is what? 10 raised to power 3. And code 3 is what? Orange. Yes or no? So first color is yellow, second one is violet, third one is orange. Yes or no? So go through option yellow, violet, orange. And impurity is plus minus 10%. Right? For silver plus minus 10%. And for gold plus minus 5%. And for color, impurity will be 20%. Raina, understood or not? Question number 11.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. What is going? One second. Where is statement? 12. The resistance of a wire is R ohm. Resistance is given. How much? Resistance is R ohm. Okay. If it is melted and stretched to n times its original length. Okay. Initially, length is L1 and now L2 is what? N times L1. Yes or no? सर्वरी क्वेश्चन कर रही हो तुम? क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है कि the resistance of wire is R ohm. Okay. And if it is melted and stretched to n times its original length. So you can say कि according to first data, R is nothing but what? Rho L1 upon area A1. Initial area A1. Yes or no? Now, in second case, L2 is n times L1. Always remember, volume can't change if you will stretch or compress any wire. Volume remain constant. So, for example, I am giving you one example. Let me complete. For example, consider this wire. Area is A, cross section area, length is L. So volume is what? L into A. Volume is what? L into A. Yes or no? And someone stretched this wire twice. Stretched this wire twice. So what about volume? Volume is equal to L into A. So length area becomes half. Why? Your length is double. So area becomes half, so that volume will remains constant. So what about area? Your area is A by 2. And when you will take product of A by 2 with length 2L, so 2 cancel. Again you are getting same volume. Yes or no? So means you can say when length becomes, listen, I am giving you a trick. When length becomes twice, area becomes half. Length becomes thrice, area becomes 1/3. Yes or no? So your length becomes n times. Your length becomes n times. So what about area? Your area becomes, final area becomes 1 upon n times. Yes or no? So 1 upon n times means what? Original area upon n. Is it clear? Okay. So now from here, final resistance R2 is equal to what? Material is same, resistivity is same, rho L. L is how much? N times L1. Area is how much? A1 upon N. Yes or no? So R2 is equal to what? N will go up. So you can write N a square rho L1 upon what? A1. And rho L1 by A1 is nothing but what? Original resistance R1. And that value is R. So you can say R2 is equal to N a square times R. Yes or no? Raina understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember this point. Listen. Remember this point. If resistance is R for length L and area A and resistivity rho. Listen. If L becomes N times, means length is increased N times, then your resistance, which one? New. Which resistance? New resistance becomes N a square times the old resistance. Yes or no? Your new resistance becomes N a square times the old resistance. This is the logic. So according to this question, listen, no need to solve, uh, calculate that much calculation, right? Directly you can say ki length becomes n times. So means resistance becomes n a square times. So without solving, you can take the answer. Yes or no? So which answer is correct? C. N square the R. Yes or no? Okay. Next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. Okay. Question number 13. Listen, A, B, and C are voltmeters of resistance R, 1.5 R, and 3 R. Listen carefully. This resistance is R, and this is 1.5 R. And another one, any doubt? Okay. Shown in the figure. When some potential difference is applied between X and Y, okay, then the voltmeter readings VA, VB and VC respectively then. Means you have to calculate voltage across A, voltage across B and voltage across C. Yes or no? Listen carefully. If current, I just consider current I is flowing, right? So current I is flowing. So I will come here. Yes or no? Resistance are in which ratio? 1:2. Resistance are in which ratio? 1:2. So current will be in which ratio? 2:1. Because V is equal to, listen carefully, V is equal to I into R for parallel. For parallel. For parallel, current is constant and potential will, voltage will constant. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Voltage will constant and current will distributed. Means this current will go through this branch and this branch, above branch and lower branch. Yes or no? Current will move. Now listen carefully. If current is constant, you can say, voltage is constant, you can say current is equal to V by R and V is constant. So what is the relation between current and resistance? Inversely proportional. So means if resistance ratio R1 and R2 is 1:2, then current ratio I1 is to I2 is nothing but what? 2:1. Yes or no? Is it clear? So for example, I am taking a value, right? Just consider any value. I have taken current is 3 ampere. Listen carefully. Why I have taken 3 ampere? Because data is given. Resistance is in which ratio? 1.5 and 3 means 1:2 ratio. So and here resistance is R. Yes or no? Listen carefully. I have taken current is 3 ampere. So 3 ampere. So that 3 ampere will be converted into 2:1 ratio. So 2:1 means from lower resistance, current will be 2 ampere. And from this side, resistance will be, current will be 1 ampere. Yes or no? Resistance ratio is 1:2. So current ratio is 2:1. Simple calculation. Now, you know V is equal to I into R. Means if you are calculating voltage of bulb, currents, you have to take current of bulb. You have to take resistance of bulb. Yes or no? So first calculate voltage of A. So V is equal to what? I into R. So current is flowing through device A is how much? 3 ampere. And resistance is R. So voltage is how much? 3R. Yes or no? Okay, 3R volt. So similarly, voltage across device B is equal to what? I into R. Your current is 2. Resistance is how much? Yes, 1.5 R. Again, voltage getting same. Again, voltage across C, current is 1, resistance is 3R. Sorry. So your voltage is, means all readings are same. So which option is correct? Option A. VA is equal to VB is equal to VC. Just consider a single value and try to calculate. Yes or no? Means easily you can calculate. Using logic, V is equal to I into R. Listen. Next question. Question number 14. Question number 14. Across a metallic conductor of non-uniform cross section, means cross section is not uniform, means you can say here cross section is more and again cross section is less, right? That is non-uniform. Somewhere cross section area is more and again cross section area is less. A constant potential difference is applied. Okay, constant potential difference is applied. The quantity which remain constant along the conductor is current. Current will remain same. Yes or no? Because in series, current will not change. Potential will vary. If resistance increases, potential will increases. Means the cross section area which having more resistance, having more potential, because current is same. So directly answer is which one? Answer is B. Question number 14. Answer is B. Next question. Question number 15. Two metal wires. Raina understood or not? Question number 14. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Try to solve question number 15. Two metal wires of identical dimensions are connected in series. Two metal wire having identical dimensions are connected in series. देखो, two metal wire of identical dimension means cross section area is same and length is same. Yes or no? As per first sentence, length is same, cross section area is same, but we don't know resistivity of both material is same or different. Yes or no? Okay. So next one, second wire, same cross section area and length is same. So length L and cross section area is A. Next, if rho 1 and rho 2 are the conductivity of the metal wires respectively, means not resistivity, conductivity. So you should remember conductivity is reciprocal of resistivity. You have conductivity given, right? So sigma 1 and sigma 2 is conductivity and resistivity inverse of conductivity. Okay. So what they are having, the effective conductivity of the combination is effective conductivity, right? Listen, when you will calculate R1, what you can write? Rho L, not rho. Rho is resistivity. The resistivity is 1 upon conductivity. Yes or no? So 1 upon conductivity. So 1 upon sigma 1, right? That is rho. Rho L upon A, right? Next one. R2 is how much? Rho 2 L upon A. Right. Sorry. 1 upon sigma 2. Conductivity. 1 upon conductivity is resistivity. L by A. Yes or no? Both resistor are in series or parallel? Series. So R total or R equivalent is equal to what? R1 plus R2, right? The R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2. So R is equal to what? Rho L by A. So combined resistance I can write rho. Rho is nothing but what? 1 upon net sigma. Total effective. This is R effective or equivalent. So 1 upon rho L. L is how much? 2L upon area is equal to R1. R1 is what? 1 by rho 1 L by A plus 1, sorry, rho not sigma. 1 by sigma 2 L upon A. Yes or no? You can take L by A common. That will cancel, right? So after solving, what you will get? 2 upon sigma, that is effective conductivity, is equal to 1 by sigma 1 plus 1 by sigma 2. After solving, what you will get? Sigma 2 plus sigma 1 upon what? Sigma 1 into sigma 2. Take inverse. So sigma effective upon 2 is equal to what? Oh, यहाँ पे मैंने गलती किया, sorry, I'm so sorry. Sigma 1 into sigma 2. Sigma 1 into sigma 2 upon sigma 1 plus sigma 2. Take 2 this side. Sigma effective is equal to what? 2 into sigma 1 into sigma 2 upon what? Sigma 1 into sigma plus sigma 1, right? Product upon addition. Remember, you know, resistivity is inverse of conductivity, and R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is resistivity. So R is directly proportional to resistivity and inversely proportional to conductivity. Yes or no? So when both resistors are in series, so resistivity will be in series, rho 1 and rho 2. But that is inverse of conductivity. So when you will take inverse, formula will be of parallel combination. And in parallel combination, you know, product upon addition. So like that you can remember. Yes or no? So answer is 2 into, which option is correct? Option A is correct. Next, question number 16. Question number 16. A circuit containing an emitter, a battery of 30 volt, okay, and a resistance 40.8 ohm, all connected in series. If the emitter has a coil of resistance 480 ohm and a shunt of 20 ohm, the reading in the emitter will be. First, draw the circuit. First circuit is potential. A circuit containing an emitter, a battery, and a resistance. So, emitter. Any doubt? Battery. Okay. Battery is 30 volt. Emitter. And a resistance. Resistance is how much? 40.8 ohm. Is it clear? All connected in series. Okay. If the emitter has a coil of resistance 480 ohm, means this emitter having resistance how much? 480 ohm. And a shunt of 20 ohm, means shunt of 20 ohm. 20 ohm. Clear? Shunt of 20. Then the reading in the emitter will be. Then the reading in the emitter will be. First calculate total current. What? Total current. Then you can calculate potential. So for total current, V is equal to what? I into R. So I total, listen carefully, I total is equal to what? V total upon what? R total. Means effective resistance. Yes or no? So you can write V total is how much? 30. How you calculate? You can calculate R total. Listen carefully. When two resistors will connected in parallel, then net value will be what? Product upon addition. So product upon addition means what? 20 into 480 upon addition is 480 plus 20 how much? 500. Right? Double zero cancel. 48 to ja 96 upon 5 ohm. Yes or no? 96 upon 5 ohm. Clear? Okay. 96 upon 5 ohm. So total resistance how much? 96 upon 5 how much? Just calculate. 19.2. So 19.2 plus what? 40.8. So R total is how much? 19.2. Raina getting or not? 40, 41 and 19. 60. Okay. So 60 means I is how much? 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5 ampere. Yes or no? So current is flowing how much? 0.5 ampere. So reading will be how much? 0.5 ampere. Yes or no? Raina getting or not?
Getting, sir.
Servery talking regarding another method. We're talking regarding another method. Okay. Solve next question. 17. Same question. Listen. Same question. A wire having resistance 4 ohm is stretched to twice. Means resistance becomes 4 times. When stretched n times, so resistance becomes n a square times. So when you will stretch twice, resistance becomes 4 times. Stretched thrice, resistance becomes 9 times. So twice means R dash. Which question? Question number 17. R is 4 ohm. Now a stretched to twice its original length. The resistance of a stretched wire would be. So R dash is equal to what? N a square times. So means twice is nothing but what? 2 a square times the what? 2 a square is what? 16 ohm. Which answer is correct? D Delhi. Right? D Dubai. Next PYQ. Question number 18. The mean free path of electron in a metal is 4 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter. Mean free path means distance between two electron. It's okay. Mean free path is how much? 4 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter. The electric field which can give on an average 2 electron volt energy. Energy is given. How much? 2 electron volt. Okay. Acha, energy is 2 electron volt. Listen carefully. Work done per unit charge is nothing but what? Potential. Work done per unit charge is nothing but what? Potential. Means work done is equal to what? Q into V. Work done is what? Q into V. So means this is value of electron. So your voltage is how much? 2 volt. Voltage is how much? 2 volt. So you can say V is equal to 2 volt as per given information, right? Next one, what they are asking, the electric field which can give, means you have to calculate electric field, yes or no? So electric field E is equal to what? V by D. In case of capacitor, distance between plate is D and electric field between plate is E, right? 1 second. हेलो, हाँ मैं क्लास में कॉल करता हूँ, कोई जरूरी नहीं है ना. Listen, E and D, and V is potential across plate, right? So relation between electric field, potential and distance is what? E is equal to V by D. Yes or no? The E is equal to V by D. So V is how much? 2. Distance is how much? 4 into 10 raised to power 8 meter. So 2 2 ja 1 by 2 is nothing but what? 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 8. 0.5 into 10 raised to power minus 8. माइनस 8. नो, ये माइनस 8 में हम लोग गलत कर रहे हैं. सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी. माइनस 8 में तो ये किस में आएगा? प्लस 8 में. और 0.5 से 10 विल बी कैंसल. तो व्हाट यू विल गेट? 5 into 10 raised to power plus 7. Option B is correct. Question number, sorry, D or Dubai. D is correct, right? Next question. वहां पे बटन है. Next question. Question number 19. 19 question. A wire of resistance 12 ohm per meter. 12 ohm per meter means total resistance is not given. Listen carefully. Data is 12 ohm per meter means resistance of 1 meter is 12 ohm. Okay. Is when to form a complete circle of radius 10 centimeter. Circle of radius given 10 centimeter. So length is what? 2 pi r. Yes or no? So 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi, and r is how much? 10 upon 100. Yes or no? R is how much? 10 upon 100. Because radius is in centimeter, you have to convert in SI unit meter. So 10 upon 100, 0, 0, cancel. 2, 5 ja 10. Means how much length you have calculated? What? Meter. Distance of circumference is 2 pi r. So you have calculated length is pi by 5 meter. So you know resistance of 1 meter is 12 ohm. So resistance of 2 meter is 12 into 2. 3 meter is 3 into 12. So you have to calculate resistance is equal to what? 12 into pi by 5 ohm. Yes or no? So you have calculated total resistance, right? The resistance between its two diametrically opposite points A and B means you have to calculate resistance between A and B, means half portion is A to B and next B to A, means both are parallel to each other. Yes or no? Both are parallel to each other. But your total resistance is how much? 12 pi upon 5. So 12 pi upon 5 means half. Listen, value of resistance of half circle. So you have to divide it by 2. Means what you can write? 6 pi upon 5. Yes or no? So above value is 6 pi upon 5. And again below value is 6 pi upon 5. Whole resistance is 12 pi upon 5. So when you will convert into two part, you have to multiply that value by half. So 6 pi upon 5. Always remember a trick. Listen carefully. What is trick? If same values are parallel, means 10 ohm is parallel with 10 ohm, R net become half. R net will be half, means 5 ohm. Similarly, 100 ohm is parallel with 100 ohm. What you can write? R net is equal to what? 50 ohm. You have 6 pi upon 5 ohm is in parallel with 6 pi upon 5 ohm. So value will be what? Half. Yes or no? Value will be half. So take half, means 3 pi upon what? 5. Yes or no? So what you can write? 3 by 5 is 0.6 pi. Which option is correct? Option A is correct. Right? Next question. 20. Question number 20. Completed. And then 5 minutes. Listen. A wire of a certain material. Question number 20. Listen. A wire of a certain material is stretched slowly by 10%. Wire is stretched by 10%. Okay. Means error in length. Listen carefully. Error in length is how much? 10%. Can I say? Error in length is 10%. Its new resistance and a specific resistance become respectively. A specific resistance will be same because a specific resistance is independent of dimension. For example, copper. So all copper wire having whatever cross section area and length, all having same resistivity. Yes or no? All having same resistivity. So resistivity is same. So go through option. Both remains the same. No. This one is wrong. 1.1 times is also wrong. And 1.1 times is also wrong. Means without solving, you can mark this option. Listen carefully. Without solving, you can mark the option B. But question is that how much new resistance? In question given 1.21 times. How? To calculate that. Initially, listen carefully. How you can calculate? Listen. Just consider resistance is R, length is L, not L. Consider 100 L. Why? Because if you will increase 10%, value will be what? 110 meter. Slowly increase. So value will be 110 meter. Okay. So R is equal to 100 L. R 100 L and cross section area is A. Any doubt? No. Resistivity is rho. So now R is equal to what you can write? Rho L upon A. Clear? Or you can say R1. Initial value is R1. So R1 is equal to what? Rho 100 L upon area. Right? Now R2 is equal to what? For R2, L2 is how much? 110 L. Yes or no? L2 is how much? 110 L. But what about area? How you can calculate area? I said volume will remain same. So volume will remain same. So you can write L1A1 is equal to L2A2. So you have to calculate final area. So final area is equal to what? L1A1 upon what? L2. So L1 is nothing but what? 100 L1. 100 L, sorry. Yes or no? Area 1 is A. And now length 2 is what? 110 L. L cancel. 0 cancel. So new area A2 is how much? 10 upon 11 A. Yes or no? So now you can calculate final resistance. So final resistance R2, R is equal to what? Rho is same. L, final length, how much? 110 L upon area. Area is how much? 10 by 11. So 11 will go upward. So what you can write? Listen, R2 is equal to 0 cancel, right? 0 cancel. So rho L upon area into what? 121, right? And what about R1? R1 is 100 rho L upon A, right? So in terms of percentage, what you can write? 21%. Yes or no? How much? 21%। तो 100 की बात करोगे इसमें तो क्या हो जाएगा 1.21 टाइम्स, 1.21 टाइम्स। यस और नो? तो आंसर इज which option is correct? Option B is correct. Okay, option B. Sir, PPT timing 122 to 120 to 40. Now time is 111. 1 second. Raina,
Yes, sir.
uh, what is schedule given by Adci to you? Today's schedule
Today's schedule for physics, they have given Indian time 10:30 to 12:30.
10:30 to 12, 10 to 12 is chemistry lecture, I think. 10 to 12 chemistry and 12 to 2 physics. So take break. Okay, take 20-minute break.
12:30 to 1 is a break.
12:30 to 1 is break.
Yes.
12:30 to 1 is break. 12:30 to 1 is break. So okay, don't worry. Take half an hour break. I will talk and uh, I will start lecture around 1:35. Okay,
1:35. Okay, sir.
or 1:30. Take 20-minute break.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. Should I lead a meeting?
Yes, yes. And rejoin. I will communicate you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
regarding which ID and all whatever. Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.